Hi friends, today we are going to talk about the letter B on recorder. Okay, so the letter B looks like this. It is a line note, so we use every good burger deserves fries or whatever mnemonic or saying you have decided to use for the lines. And remember, we start at the bottom and go to the top, right? When we count our mnemonics. So E, every, G, good, B, burger. So B is going to be on the middle line, and its stem is going to point down towards the ground. Okay? So that is our letter B. Let me write B. And the cool thing about the letter B is that you already know how to play it on recorder. You just don't know that you know. The letter B on recorder is our left thumb on the back hole and our first finger of our left hand covering with the pad, not the tip, the pad, on the top hole. Look familiar? It's what we were just doing when we were making a sound. It's the same note. That note is B. So let's try it. All of the rest of your fingers are hovering. Remember, you're using your gentle, steamy window air. Your lips are in an position so that your teeth don't touch your mouthpiece. And you're taking a deep breath so that you can say two, 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 and not breathe between each note, okay? I'm going to play 3 B's. B, 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 or ta, ta, ta. Then you are going to copy me. Ready? Here I go. Your turn. Ready, go. Ta, ta, ta. Good job. Now, let's play one really long B. So we're going to play a whole note B, a ta. So you have to count to 4 in your head. Me first, then you. Your turn. Here you go. Ta. Good job. Now that we've played one really long B, let's play some short B's. Let's play some tatis, right? Some eighth notes. So me first, then you. Your turn, try it now. Ta-ti, ta-ti, ta-ta. Now, if you've noticed this whole time, friends, my fingers haven't moved. Every time you make a new note, you are making that new note with your tu, with your tongue saying tu every time. All right? You do not need to move your fingers if you're going to play the same note more than once. Now, if I was to play other notes and put down other fingers, then I would have to move around. But if I'm just playing B 3 or 6 or 7,000 times in a row, I'm going to make each of those B's sound different with that tu. Ready? So let's try one more. We're going to play 4 quarter note B's. Tu. Me first, then you. Ready? Your turn, here you go. Tu. Great job, friends. If you need some more work on the letter B, then rewind this video and watch it again and continue your practice, or practice the letter B using our steps to make a sound. Sorry, friends. There was a squirrel outside my window and I lost my train of thought. So, If you don't want to rewind this video and use the same B patterns again, you can make some up. Just make sure that you are paying attention to what your fingers are doing, that you're hovering the rest of your fingers and not grabbing onto the recorder in weird places. Making sure that you're using the pads of your finger. You can see I have a little ring there because after a while, when you're holding it for a while, you'll start to get a ring on the pad. If it's on this part, it's good. If it's up here, that's not so good. That means you're using the tip of your finger and you might be exposing part of that hole. We don't want that. We want that, right? And also make sure that you are paying attention to how you're making your sound. Make sure you're using your warm, steamy window air that's gentle. Doesn't have to be a lot, just. And you are using your so your teeth don't touch, and you are saying two, taking a deep breath and going two, 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 two. All right? You are going to be excellent at the letter B. I can feel it in my bones, friends. Happy practicing.